Hello everyone. No doubt all products and businesses require advertising. It may be TV ads, internet ads, or word of mouth. Well, most of the advertisements focus on highlighting the features of the product and making them look attractive, which is absolutely okay. But what's not acceptable is when ads portray a product which is potentially harmful to health as not just attractive but as healthy one. This definitely amounts to deceiving the consumers and the audience. In this video, let's look at some of such ads which show potentially harmful products as healthy ones. You should be aware of them and definitely need to avoid them. Virat Kohli is considered as one of the fitness icons of India. Let's see how he promotes this product.
कैसे करूं यकीन आँखों पर कहो True that. He's eating like tomorrow हो ना हो. You think he's eating like this part? Must be. He looks too young. He looks too young. He looks too young.
देखो दूसरा है ये वैसे इन शर्म.
How does he manage to look too young? He looks too young, too young, too young.
ऐसी बॉडी के लिए हम खाए घास फूस, but look at this guy, he's always going toos toos.
Too young. He looks too young. He looks too young.
क्योंकि टू यम सिर्फ टेस्टी नहीं है, इट्स फिल्ड विद गुडनेस. इट्स नॉट फ्राइड, इट्स बेक्ड. ईट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर एज मच. टू यम, ईट लॉट, फिकर नॉट.
Well, it's okay for Kohli to promote this product, but what's not okay is the way it's promoted. I mean, if he says it's tasty, good for the party, celebration, all that is okay. But what's not acceptable is misguiding the public and audience, saying that it is healthy and that you can munch it all day long and still remain fit. That is definitely not acceptable. Just look at the ingredients and the nutritional information. They say it's not fried, but it has refined oil along with whole lot of chemicals, added sugar and salt. Now look at the nutritional information. There's very high amount of carb with added sugar. Look at that high amount of saturated fat staring at you, and even worse is the very high amount of sodium in it. So this product is definitely not healthy. Guys, don't be deceived by the fitness icon promoting this product as healthy.
पूरियां बनाइए.
इतनी पूरी मत खा यार, दिल को फिट नहीं रखना.
बेटा बस.
पापा से कहो आपका दिल रखे. दिल का ख्याल सफोला रख लेगा.
पापा ये सफोला वाला खाना है.
सिर्फ एक ऑयल में सारे गुण नहीं होते, इसीलिए सफोला गोल्ड जो दे 2 ऑयल की बेनिफिट्स और रखे दिल का बेहतर ख्याल. सफोला, दिल रखो, दिल का ख्याल भी.
Well, not just Saffola, it may be Fortune, Priya Gold, Freedom, whichever brand it may be. All of them are unhealthy because they contain refined oil. Well, I'm sure most of you must be surprised because more than 90% of people use these oils in their kitchen for cooking. Now, refining is a multi-step process which involves extracting the oil at very high temperature, adding chemicals. Now, what this does is it destroys a lot of nutrients present in the oil and convert the healthy fatty acids into trans fat, and then chemicals are added to remove the bad odor and bad taste, which also destroy a lot of fatty acids. Then to make it last long, a lot of preservatives like TBHQ, DMPS are added. The final product is an unhealthy liquid which has the potential to cause harm to your health in the form of altering your lipid profile and cholesterol deposition in the blood vessels of heart and brain. No doubt heart diseases and stroke are on the rise. Well, the healthier options include cold pressed oils, pure coconut oil and pure desi ghee. I'm sure you must be having counter arguments saying that the coconut oil and desi ghee has very high amount of saturated fat. Well, it's not really so. There's more to it. More on that, let's discuss in one of the upcoming videos.
Boys! आज उनके छक्के छुड़ा देंगे. उनका चाहिए बदला. हम फोमो के माही नहीं. ये है हमारी तलवार.
भाई तुम स्निकर्स खाओ.
काहे?
क्योंकि जब भूख लगती है ना, इवन कैप्टन को लूजेस इज कूल. अब ठीक है?
ठीक है.
हंगर अच्छे अच्छों को बदल देता है. Snickers में है nuts, chocolate और caramel. Hungry? Grab a Snickers.
Snickers, well, it's definitely not for hunger. They say that they've added some nuts inside it and hence it fills the stomach. Very poor logic. Because they've added very minimal amount of nuts and rest everything is added sugar, which is and the fiber amount is negligible to cause any amount of satiety. To fill the stomach, you need to have good amount of fiber or protein or complex carbohydrates. None of them are present in this, and all that it has is plenty and plenty of simple sugar, which will only spike your glucose and insulin and make you obese. Well, the better alternatives for as quick bite when you're hungry would be to have fruits or just dry fruits.
मैनेज करने के लिए मैं हवा पे जीतती हूँ, बट एक्चुअली आई ईट. रोज एक नरिशिंग ब्रेकफास्ट जैसे केलॉग स्पेशल के प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर. फूड्स हाई इन प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर मुझे फुल रहने का एहसास दिलाए और हंगर पैंट्स को दूर रखे. मैं केलॉग स्पेशल के जो है हाई इन प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर और बना है खुद से, प्लस आई लव इट एंड फ्लेवर. तो अगर मेरे जैसे वेट मैनेज करना है, ईट ब्रेकफास्ट एवरी डे. केलॉग स्पेशल के नाउ अवेलेबल इन 3.
Look at how specifically she says this product is for maintaining a fit and slim body. When you just turn it around, what you see is completely different. This has very high amount of added sugar, that is 18 grams of sugar per 100 gram of the product, along with flavoring agents which they don't even bother to mention under the name of patency. So if your goal is fat loss, you need to really stay far from this product, and not just this, any kind of cornflakes or chocos for that matter.
Sunny, get up! जब हो 8 फ्रूट्स का यमी टेस्ट, हर सुबह खाली होगी प्लेट. किसान जैम.
Sorry kids, consuming jam is no way equivalent to consuming fruits. Just look at the amount of added sugar in it. Or rather, I can say that this has almost nothing apart from added sugar. Well, the whole purpose of consuming fruits is to get good amount of fibers and antioxidants in them. And this product hardly has any amount of fiber. And obviously the antioxidants are also destroyed by a whole lot of chemicals and the preservatives added. And as I keep saying, the best way to consume a fruit is to have it as it is.
The orange, filled with the goodness of real orange pulp in every gulp. Now, in many...
Maaza, Minute Maid, all these are just fooling you in the name of fruits. All that they have is a very high amount of added sugar and whole lot of chemicals in the form of preservatives and flavoring agents. Well, drinking this is no way a replacement for having a fruit. Sprite, Coke, whatever it may be, but they cannot quench your thirst. Well, you may feel so momentarily, but eventually you still have to drink water because of the high amount of sugar they have, it becomes a hypertonic liquid, and a hypertonic liquid will not quench your thirst, instead will make you more thirsty. And obviously this is in addition to whole lot of unhealthy ingredients that these products have. Needless to say that your teeth cannot emit light, however clean and white it may be. It can only reflect light. And these chewing gums have absolutely no role in making your teeth whiter. However, if consumed in larger quantities, it can definitely be counterproductive because of the excessive amount of sugar in them, or even if it's sugar-free, because of the other compounds which can cause damage to your health as well as teeth. Pan Masala and similar products. It may be Vimal, Pan Parag, Rajnigandha, whatever it may be. They're all equally bad and please stay away from them. They have numerous carcinogens which are responsible for the high prevalence of oral cavity cancer in India. Well, consuming it for the sake of little bit of kesar they may have is just like treating infection in the hand and killing the bacteria by burning the whole hand. So please stay away from these products. So these were few of the ads which I chose to address. I'm sure there must be many more similar ads. Well, I'm not against anybody promoting these products because ultimately even that is a business which requires promotion by someone or the other. But misguiding the public and promoting these as healthy products, that's definitely a no-no.